the very last pair when you walk into the mall and you think they ain't there. So you say a little prayer. You don't want to be so vain, but if I get them in my hands, I'll give them.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It is your boy Truth, and today we have a on-feet look of the Colorado home colorway of the Air Max Diamond Turf 96 or Deion Sanders, whichever one you want to call it. This sneaker is super clean, but before we get off into this content, make sure you guys go ahead and smash that subscribe button. I really appreciate you guys. You guys have really been rocking with the content, supporting the channel, so thank you guys so much. Make sure you like all the videos that you watch them all the way through. It helps with the algorithm. Turn on the notification bell so you get notified. I've been going live a lot lately, so I want you guys to be a part of that as well. But yeah, man, that is basically it. Now let's talk about this sneaker. Now, I did record a video of this is kind of like a pack, not together, but kinda. But this is going to be the away colorway, and I did a review, as you guys can see on the screen. Go ahead and tap on that of this sneaker. But this one right here is going to be the home, and I'm loving what Nike is doing, making these shoes. Not super hype. Everybody's not talking about it, but it's kind of like if you know, if you respect this sneaker growing up, you kind of going to just add it to your collection. You feel what I'm saying? So the fact that you can cop them if you want them is just the added bonus. But starting with the left side of the sneaker, as you guys can see, typical Diamond Turf, Deion Sanders 96 model. You have white leather upper, which is pretty decent. You have the black waves going through, and then you have the gold Nike swoosh. I like the fact that they kept that gold Nike swoosh on all pairs of them. And then on the back end of these things, you do have that gold Nike swoosh on the back end. That big bold Air Max unit on the back end, and then on the bottom, I'll show you guys. They do have the Deion Sanders logo on the bottom. I'll show you guys that close to the end of the video, up close and personal. Back end of this one as well. Looking at the right shoe, as you guys can see, pretty much the exact same thing. You do have the black Nike swoosh on the strap right here, and then on the tongue of the sneaker, you do have the football goalpost in the home plate, which represents Deion playing football in baseball, which is super dope. On the inner side of the shoe, it's the exact same thing for y'all. And just overall, just a clean sneaker, just another colorway. Paying homage to him being at Colorado right now. I love that they're extending it even after he played the sport. Just paying homage, giving him his flowers. You feel what I'm saying? So comfortability wise, super comfortable. Make sure you go true to size or half a size up. True to size, they're going to be a little bit snug just because they do have a little supporting sock in them. But if you go a half a size up, they're going to fit perfect in my opinion. So if you're a size 11.5, go a size 12, you would be perfect. If you can get a size 11.5, it won't be detrimental. You feel what I'm saying? But y'all let me know what y'all think about this colorway. Do y'all mess with this one, or do y'all prefer the black ones, the OG ones, whichever one? But like I said, they are available. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the box and then a little bit up close and personal details with the sneaker, and we're going to close out this video. All right, so here's the box, standard Nike box, no different than the other ones that you have seen with these sneakers. White paper on the inside, nothing major. And then as far as the sneaker, which is when it comes to those little details, I have wore these things, so the bottom's a little bit dirty, but you do see Deion on the bottom of this sneaker. Super dope, you know, bandana, earring, Deion, so you know, the primetime version of him. And then, like I said, just that gold post in the home plate on there with the Nike swoosh. Really well put together in my opinion. But like I said, y'all let me know down in the comment section. Is this something that y'all messing with? Check out the other reviews of the other colorways. And y'all already know the sayings, man. Rock what you like, not what's hype. And remember, everything we talk about, including these sneakers right here, just bait. Wait for me to share my faith. I'm going to catch y'all next video. Peace.
If they ready, we'll let you know if you should go and get them. We got fat, we got you, never slack on the fruit for OGs and the youth. You can kick it with us too. Technology.